Okay, so this is my entry. Well, okay, so here's the door here, right here, entryway, console, etc. This right here has become literally a freaking dumping ground. A dumping ground. And I keep this door open all the time. And if you guys do remember from previous 3-bedroom units, this used to be what I would consider my little office. I put my office stuff in here. It worked just fine. It is set up a little different because that wasn't in the old 3 bedrooms that I had. Neither was that little box, and all that stuff is the cable wiring, whatnot. And so you see this when you walk in. Like if you walk in the door here, right? This door is always open, and bam, you see this. So I've decided that because I'm going to have a totally new idea for my office space, so I think I'm going to just dress this up with the items that are in the office room right now that's not being utilized or done because I haven't had a chance or haven't found the items that I want to create the office of my dreams in there. So this is going to become, I don't know, a little something. So we'll see. We'll just see. I'm just gonna kind of move everything from back there in here and see what we can make of this and make it cutesy, because I want all my spaces to be cutesy. So look at it. Look at this. Horrible, horrible dumping ground. Dumping ground. So let's make this look like something that somebody loves that lives here, okay? So first things first, empty her out. YouTube magic, are you ready? Okay. Okay. YouTube magic. Clean slate. And now let's see what I can shop my home that I'm not using to place in this little area to make it look like somebody loves it here. Okay. Next piece that I think I'm going to bring in. And I can still close the door like so if I wanted to come in here and meditate and pray and whatnot. And actually, I think I'm going to add one more thing in here. Y'all know I like stuff, so I think I'm going to add one more little piece that I absolutely love that I think would be perfect in this room, so that when I do close, because this wall's blank, even though the door is always open and you can't really see it, but I really feel like I want it in here. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is just what I added. absolutely love this. This is from Home Goods, in case you're, no, I'm sorry. This is from Big Lots. And it just goes, you know, right there. So you could just see a peekaboo of it. And now I have a sitting closet. You can come in, put your shoes off in here. That thing is full of shoes, so you can just put your shoes in there. And I love it. It's just so cozy. So cozy. So let me just tell you real quick. Blue Bold is from Big Lots. Candle holders and the candles are probably from Home Goods. The vase, Pier 1. Flowers, I can't even remember. I feel like Home Goods. I could be wrong. Greenery, you can get it from anywhere. That probably came from Home Goods, as well as the gold tray behind. Again, that's Big Lots. This mirror is from Big Lots. Excuse me. Gold tray, Home Goods. Flower, Home Goods. Big Lots. Mirror, Home Goods. Silver pillows, probably Home Goods. I can't remember. This humongous piece right here that was in the office. I have something else planned for it. I think it looks better in here. This is also from Home Goods. The bench right here, which has storage. Again, there's shoes in there. Big Lots. Home Goods. The table is from Home Goods. This is just a tray that I set on top of the table. That's from Home Goods. Hobby Lobby, maybe somewhere around there. Candlestick is from Big Lots. Candle, I DIY'd the little bling wrap around it because it definitely goes with the aesthetic of the room. And now when you walk into my house, it does not look like a dumping ground. It just looks like an additional room because, again, here's the door, console, right? And then this door, again, is always open. And this is what you see when you walk past that. Is that not just adorable? I love it. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Again, this was originally the coat closet. As you can see, they have like racks to hang coats up, and I guess you could store stuff in here or whatever like I did. But I think this is better suited for moi. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.